This common simple natural remedy grow my hair super crazy and faster. Garlic and onion. I will show you the effective way I use them to grow my hair. My first ingredient is garlic. I will make use of 4 cloves of garlic. Garlic stimulates blood circulation in the scalp to promote hair growth and strengthen hair roots. It also has antifungal properties that can help maintain a healthy scalp, prevent dandruff, and reduce hair loss, leading to thicker, stronger hair. Garlic is a very simple natural remedy that a lot of people are letting down on. Using garlic on your hair if you are struggling for slow hair growth, thinning hair, itching scalp, dandruff, freaky hair, garlic should be your natural remedy that will help to solve that your problem. So I'll just peel off the skin of the garlic. I'll bring my second ingredient, onion. I'm using 1 medium size of my purple onion. Onion can help with hair growth because it contains sulfur to support strong and thicker hair, prevent hair loss, and promote hair growth. The sulfur from onion may also help promote collagen productions. Collagen in turn help the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. So what I'm doing, I'm peeling off the skin of the onion. So I will go off camera to wash these 2 ingredients together. After washing them, this is what I have so far. Next thing is to be my blender cup to dice them into a small sizable so that my blender can crush it. But if you don't have blender, please do not worry, okay? You can also use your grater to grate it, okay? In that way you will not be adding water on it. But as I'm using blender, my blender will not crush this without me adding a little water on it. So if your blender can also blend it without adding water on it, is also a good idea for you, okay? After slicing it, I'll add a little water on it so that my blender can blend it, and I'll cover it up. I'll go off camera to blend it. Combine these 2 natural ingredients together, honestly speaking, is a game changer for you. If you really want to grow your hair super faster, you don't want to break the bank, you want to solve your hair problems, your itching scalp, your dandruff, your hair loss, or hair fall, garlic and onion should be that remedy that will help you to solve that problem. But only problem a lot of people are having because of the smell of the garlic and the smell of the onions. Don't worry, there's another way you can enhance the smell of these 2 ingredients and get that best result on your hair growth journey. After blending them, I bring my sheaf cloth and a boil to collect the juice of the garlic and onion. It's very important you use something that have very tiny hole so that the particles or the chaff of the garlic and onion will not stuck on your hair. After doing that, I transfer it into this my spray bottle for easy application. If you have applicator bottle, you can also make use of it. My hair is a protective hairstyle. I like using these remedies whenever my hair is in protective hairstyle, especially protective hairstyle that I have access to my scalp and also strand of my hair. This best time I love using this remedy because my hair get chance to get the good benefit of this remedy, and whenever I'm taking my hair down, I will not pack a lot of hair on the floor while taking the hair down, and also my hair will grow so much and the scalp will not be itching me because of the treatment, because of this recipe. This recipe will help a lot stimulate blood circulation in your scalp, and so many of them. Consistent of applying this remedy on your hair, guys, there is no joke. Your hair will grow, your itching scalp will stop, your hair loss will stop, and your hair fall will stop.
Sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be.
If you cannot withstand the smell of this garlic and onion, it can also add ginger on it. Or if you have any essential oils like rosemary essential oil, lavender essential oil, peppermint essential oils, those essential oils, especially lavender and peppermint essential oil, they have very nice scent on them, so you can just drop a little bit of them. It will help to enhance the smell of this garlic and onion, okay? But for me, I'm used to the smell of this garlic and onion because I have been using them for a very long period of time, and they have helped me a lot in my hair growth journey. They help me a lot for me not to be itching my scalp or feeling any dandruff on my scalp or having excessive hair fall whenever I take my hair down. So if you cannot withstand the smell of these two ingredients, it can add ginger or the essential oils I mentioned for you. They will help you a lot. So I'm focusing on the scalp and also on the strands of my hair. This is where I apply this recipe so that this recipe can penetrate deeply on my hair. I will advise you, after making this recipe, warm it up a little bit so that it will help to stimulate blood flow very well on your hair. Without warming it up a little bit, guys, this really stimulates blood flow. My scalp is feeling so hot. That feeling hotness means that this recipe is stimulating blood flow on my scalp, and that's why this recipe helps to promote hair growth and stimulate blood flow, because when blood flow on your scalp, definitely your hair will going to grow. After applying this recipe on my hair, the next thing I follow up with scalp massage. Scalp massage is very, very important because it will help this treatment to take it to next level. It will help the blood flow to flow very well on your scalp and promote that hair growth, solve those your hair problems. After massaging the scalp for 5 minutes to 7 minutes, I will use my cellophane nylon to cover up my hair. I will leave it to try some heat like 1 hour. After 1 hour, I will rinse it off. This is the best way I use this recipe to grow my hair faster, to solve my hair problems like hair fall, itching scalp, and also dandruff. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you guys on my next video. Bye.